Self-service is where you can view and pay your bill as well as review your financial aid awards. Typically, your bill will become available in your self-service account around the beginning of August. To view it, simply click on Student Finance once you're logged in. This is the account summary page. Your MSU bill will be sent to your MSU email and can also be assessed through My Morehead State. Make sure your account is set up and that you're checking it regularly. If you have a bill to pay, this is where you'll do it. Click on Student Finance, then select Make a Payment, Payment Plan to proceed. You can also sign your financial responsibility agreement from this page. To view your financial aid awards and loan details, head to the Financial Aid tab in Self-Service. Then click on My Awards to see a breakdown of your financial aid package. This is the My Award screen, where you'll find all of your financial award and loan information. If you have questions about billing or making a payment, you can reach us by email at billing@moreheadstate.edu or by phone at 606-783-2019.